The Supreme Court has struck down a Colorado law banning certain counseling conversations with minors about sexual orientation and gender identity. NTD's Chris Bob has the story from outside the Supreme Court.
I hope this win for free speech will fuel a greater pursuit of truth, both amongst the professionals and in the counseling room. The law I'm challenging harms kids and silences speech.
In an 8-1 decision, the Supreme Court struck down a Colorado law that bans certain conversations between counselors and minors regarding sexual orientation and gender identity. Colorado's so-called conversion therapy law, passed in 2019, prohibited mental health professionals from attempting to change an individual's sexual orientation or gender identity. Childs, a licensed counselor in Colorado, faced fines and potential loss of her license under the law for helping minors in ways they sought. Justice Neil Gorsuch, writing for the majority, highlighted the fundamental First Amendment protections at stake. Quote, laws regarding speech based on its subject matter or communicative content are presumptively unconstitutional. The spoken word is perhaps the quintessential form of protected speech, and that is exactly the kind of expression in which Ms. Childs seeks to engage. Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson dissented, saying because the law limited only professional medical speech, it was comparable to other regulations that enforce standards of care. Justice Elena Kagan, concurring with the majority, emphasized that the law unlawfully regulates speech based on viewpoint. Quote, a law drawing a line based on the ideology of the speaker suggests an impermissible motive, that the government is regulating speech because of its own hostility toward the targeted messages. If the First Amendment prohibits anything, it is the official suppression of ideas. Childs reflecting on the impact of the Supreme Court's decision.
This ruling means Colorado cannot insert itself into the counseling room and silence important views that clients want to hear. It's crucial that families have counseling options, including options that allow kids to genuinely talk about experiencing discomfort with their bodies without the state dictating an outcome.
The Supreme Court's decision raises questions about the viability of similar laws. Reporting from Washington, D.C., Chris Bob, NTD News.